This is the nearly 100 watt hour battery with 4-panel solar charger, which snaps into place and folds down to the same size as the battery, which makes it convenient. When all four are unfolded, you have about a 15-volt charging. When the panels receive any amount of light that it's sensitive to, the green light will come on. And when the charge increases, then the blue lights will step up. When it's fully charged, all four lights will be lit. You can see it's going down to the green and none. In addition to the solar panel and battery, you have a flashlight, which if you hold 2 seconds, it will come on. Push it one more time, you get an SOS. Learn your Morse code. One more time, you get a strobe light. Get somebody's attention. One more time is off. You also get a floodlight, a panel of LEDs, which if you hit the button twice quickly, it comes on by default to the brightest setting. Push it one more time, it steps down a notch. One more time, steps down a notch, and it'll just cycle through these by each push, back to bright, or hit the button twice quickly, and it goes off. On the top, you have an inexpensive compass that probably will give you the general direction which direction north is, but that's about it. I wouldn't count on it for any orienteering. You also get a hanger that goes onto a hook on the side, and they recommend hanging the battery up when charging so that it doesn't overheat on a rock or something. But if you put it on wood or a log, I don't see that overheating. But they're very concerned with it getting up to 180 degrees, which would cause the battery to malfunction or maybe even explode. So that's about it. It's a nice battery. It weighs about 21 ounces, pound 5 ounces or so. So it's a little on the heavy side. I wouldn't take it backpacking. But for something, if you're away from city power, that it would be good to have around just to keep as a light, spare light, or emergency light, as it will recharge itself on a sunny day. I like it. Everything's good except for the weight, but if you're going to get a 100 watt hour battery, you're going to have the weight. So I'll give it 5 stars.